Morioka, COVID cases are on a rise worldwide. Not as much as Tokyo and other big cities, but unfortunately, we are seeing more cases here in Morioka as well. But we are keeping our spirits up for next year while continuing our basic prevention measures, as you can see, like wearing our masks, washing our hands, sanitizing both our hands and our offices, and keeping physical distance. We are hoping to keep your training environment as safe as possible.